How to fix Genshin Impact game crash. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to fix Genshin Impact game crash. Having this sort of issue, what you can do is in order to fix it, you can try updating your graphic drivers. First of all, exit out of your web browser and then type in device manager, and right on this page you just have to go ahead and press on it, and it's going to take you to this field where you need to go to display adapters. When you press on display adapter, right click on them, and then you'll be able to see this option. Go ahead and right click on it and click on update drivers, and this should be able to fix the issue. If nothing seems to be working out, then you can also try updating or uninstalling your application. So for that, you have to go ahead and open up your Genshin Impact, tap on the search box, and then type in Genshin Impact, and then reinstall the application or uninstall the application. And next you have to reinstall it once again, and when you're done reinstalling it, then you could go ahead and log in into your account, and that should be able to fix the issue. Following the steps, you should be able to troubleshoot Genshin Impact game crash. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.